Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting new update on Roblox. How to add your job to your profile on PC. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open Roblox on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once Roblox is open, look to the top of the page where you'll see your username. Click on it to navigate to your profile. This is where all the fun customization happens. Now that you're on your profile page, find the Edit Profile button. It usually appears just below your profile picture. Click on that to open up your profile settings. You're almost there. Scroll down a bit until you see the About section. This is where you can share a bit about yourself, including your job. Just click in the text box and type in your job title or a brief description of what you do. Make it engaging and fun, as this helps other players learn more about you. Once you've finished adding your job details, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page, and click it. Your profile is now updated to reflect your new job. And that's it. You've successfully added your job to your Roblox profile. It's a great way to express yourself and connect with other players. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.